YouTube, what's good, YouTube? I'm about to get y'all the sauce on these candlesticks. So these are the secrets to the candlesticks. If you don't know how to read a candlestick, I'm about to tell you right now. So these blue candlesticks is when the market going up. These red candlesticks is when the market going down. Let me just Google this right quick. Hold on. Hold up. All right, so we're gonna come on to Google right quick. Japanese candlestick. If you don't know what a candlestick is, all right. All right. So on the bullish candlestick, bullish and bearish. You got bullish and bearish. Bullish mean the market going up, as you see right here. Bearish mean the market going down. You're going to open right here. This is the low that it made. This is the high that it made. This is the close. All right. So let's go. And then this is a bearish candle. So when you got the bearish candle open right here, they come down and they close here. All right. So these wicks right here, these little things, these are called wicks. That's basically mean that the market went there, but it didn't close there. So on this bullish candle, it could have dropped down here and then pushed all the way up here and then close here. Bearish candle. Drop all, push up a little bit, drop all the way down here, close here. So let me show y'all that on the minute chart right quick, just so you can see. All right. So this candle is currently pushing bullish. If it dropped down a little bit, right here, if it dropped down a little bit, it's gonna make a wick. And y'all gonna see what I talk about the wick. So it opened down here, it opened here, and start pushing up. All right. Bam. Drop down a little bit. That's what I mean by the wick. So y'all see it was all the way up here at the top. Then it started coming back down here. It's 20 more seconds left in this minute. So every single candlestick, when you go to these time frames at the top, is going to represent the time frame that you pick. So if I pick 1 minute, every candle is a 1 minute candlestick. So once this minute is over in 5 seconds, another candlestick gonna pop up. Boom. It's gonna open where the last candlestick closes at. See it open here, right? So we're gonna see how this one formed. Okay, this one is a bearish candlestick. It's starting to drop. Okay. You see how I made that wick? It went down there, and now it's up here now. All right, now y'all seeing how the candlestick move. It can go from bearish to bullish. You see that? Because it went down, but it pushed up, and now it's higher than where it opened at. That's what makes it a bullish candle. If it's lower than where it opened at, that's what makes it a bearish candle. Hopefully you caught that. You know what I'm saying? So any time frame that I pick, if I go to the 5 minute, this is a 5 minute candle. You got 4 minutes left in this candle. All these is 5 minutes. Hours. This is every hour. 49 minutes left in this candle. Day, week, month. Okay? You got all these time frames you can pick. So you can analyze the candles. All right? So this is the secret to the candlesticks though. When you go from a higher time frame like this, all that is a representation of the lower time frame. Okay? So if I go to the day, right? Look at this day candle. This day candle is pushing down. Okay? It opens up right here. So if I put a line, hold on. If I put a quick little line right here, right? Hold on. Right here where it opens at, right? See that? That's where it opened at. Now if I go to the 1 hour, how many candles is in a day? 24 candles. Because you got 24 hours if I go to the 1 hour, right? Okay. So this is Tuesday. How many candles have been? How many hours has it been today? 18 bars, 18 hours today. So it's a few more hours left in this candle. This is where it opened at. You see what it is dash line at? That's where the day starts. That's where it opened at. This is the price action that it made for this day. So if I go back to the day, you see why it's a bearish candle. You see this little tiny wick at the top? That's the market right here, making this tiny little wick up here, and then it dropped for the rest of the day. Okay? So now we understanding how to dissect the candlestick from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. You gotta understand how many candles represent this time. You gotta break down time so you can understand how to time your entries. You know what I'm saying? So from the hour, if I go to the 30 minute, how many candlesticks is in an hour? 2. These last 2 candlesticks made up the last hour right here. You see what I'm saying? So the last hour went up. You see the last hour went up? Okay, if I go to the 30 minute, we're gonna see that the last 2 30-minute candles went up. 15 minute, break that down by 4 candles. You see what I'm saying? These are the secrets. 12 candles on the 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? That's how you can kind of gauge predicting the next candlestick. Okay? Now, let's get into the secrets. I told y'all what is a candlestick, how to break down a higher time frame candlestick and go down to a lower time frame candlestick to break it down. Okay? Now I'm about to show y'all the secrets on how you can gauge these candlesticks and understand where to place your entries and know when to buy and stuff like that. Okay, so we just stick here on this chart right here. I'm on the 5 minute right here, right? I'm on the 5 minute. The candle before this one was a down candle. Okay? You got your prices over here. You got your prices over here. In order for the market to even come up here to this level up here, 157.90, it has to do this, bro. It has to break this bearish candle in order to get up here. The market don't move in zigs like you move in zigs. The market don't. It can only go. The price can only go up or down. It can only go from 80 cent to 90 cent, or it can go from 80 cent down towards 60 cent. Like it can only go 2 ways. You know what I'm saying? So in order for the market to even come up here, it has to break this candlestick. You understand? So when I break this down, I'm looking at the high of this candlestick and I drop down to the minute. This candlestick got broken right here. You understand me? So if you was trying to take that junk up here, you know that this is a good candlestick that broke. Boom, you could take that up, man. It's like these are the secrets of analyzing these candlesticks and price action. Understanding price action, man. That's 1.82 risk to reward off of you entering on the break, stop loss below this last candle. Because in order for it to come down, in order for this market to come down here, bro, in order for it to come down here, what it got to do? What candle do it got to break in order to come down here right now? See, raise everything. In order for the market to get down here, what candle do it has to break? It got to break this one. The last candle that it has to break this candle, bro. If it's going to go down there. If the market want to come up here, what candle it got to break? How, like, you know what I'm saying? It got to break. This is the range candle of the last candle. Get a break outside of this, then you know. If it's give you inside bars, it's choppy here. But if the market wants to go higher in the price or lower in the price, it got to break the candles where it's at. You know what I'm saying? That's the secrets to analyzing these candles and knowing. So like when I want to catch a big move, a lot of times, man, like say I wanted to catch this down move right here. Say I wanted to catch this down move right here, right? In order for the market to get down here, to even have gotten down here, it had to break this candle right here. It had to break this bullish candle first before it can even push down here. So on the break of this candle, you can give yourself a decent you can kind of gauge where the market might go after it break this candle. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But the thing about it is sometimes it could break that candle and go right back. You know what I'm saying? Like right here. Okay, this candle broke up, but then it came all the way back down. But okay, once this candle broke up here, okay, boom. You got this next candle that broke below this candle. Now you start getting breaks below. Now you're getting lower breaks. What is that telling you? You making lower lows and lower highs on a lower time frame. You know what I'm saying? That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing on a lower time frame. So if I go to this day chart right here, right? Okay, I go to this day chart. What do? We broke yesterday's low. We broke that. So we have the possibility of pushing down here to these lows, right? So I drop down to the hour. It's all about probabilities, man. This is yesterday. This is Monday. You see Monday? This was the low of Monday. Market pushed up on Monday. Now we come into Tuesday. Market pushed all the way down and broke Mondays. You know what I'm saying? We broke Monday, right? Right? So if we want to get back down to the lows of Friday, we want to get down to the lows of Friday. We know that we broke Monday already. So we can kind of get down here. You know what I'm saying? So like the market has to break candles to get to a certain point. That's what I'm trying to say. That's the secrets of analyzing these candlesticks. They gotta break. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't really care about support and resistance like that, because this stuff gonna break all the time. Like the market always is gonna break levels, man. And no level is gonna hold, bro. All the time. So you gotta be fluent with the market and just move with the market, bro. If you're on the right side of the market, you're gonna make money. If you selling and the market selling off, you're making money. If you're buying and the market's selling off, you're gonna lose money. Period. You gotta be on the right side. So look. So another secret to these candlesticks, right? Another secret to the candlesticks. Let's break it down even more, man. Let's break it down even more, man. Okay? Right. So these ranges, these wick ranges right here, right? Let's look at that. Let's just look at that real quick. Take a rectangle, put it on your wick. Go to the hour. Okay? This was the high of yesterday. The yesterday pushed up, but it ended up closing down here. Right? So that wick, what is that? Resistance. Right? And if we was to break this, right, what would we be doing on the day chart? If we was to not come down, we didn't come down. Like say we start breaking up, right? And you get an uptrend on the hour. What would that have made? You would have broken this candle right here. You would have been pushing up. These are the secrets, man, to like digesting these candlesticks. And like, if you don't understand how to read the candlesticks, bro, then it's gonna be tough. Like I used to trade and not look at these candlesticks like that. I used to be trying to look at how everybody else trade, man, and what they tell you. Oh, the market is support resistance. The market touched here like 20 times. That's resistance. So what, motherfucker? Who cares? Like, the market could break that and come back up here where the market was. That don't mean sell off just because it's at a resistance. That don't mean, you know what I'm saying? That's not what that. I don't really like that type of trade, man. It's like I just don't. But um, yeah. So I know, but I do know if the market wanted to come to this level, it has to break this candle in order to come to this level. So what I would do is if I wanted it to see that come to that level, I got to start seeing some uptrend movement on the hour first. I got to start seeing that on a lower time frame so I can know that my day candle is trying to push up. You feel what I'm saying? That's how I digest the higher time frame and the lower time frame. I could know if my higher time frame candle is even moving there by looking at the lower time frame candle's trends. You see what I'm saying? So let me bust this down on a 15-minute one more time so y'all can get this in y'all head. All right? It's all about candlesticks. I'm not giving y'all no strategy or nothing. I'm just giving y'all the secrets of how to read this candlestick. All right? So on the 15-minute right here, let me go to another pair real quick. See if I can find something cool. All right, yeah, let's just do it like this. All right, so we on Nas. Right now, if I was to just draw simple market structure, you know what I'm saying? If I was to draw simple market structure, you would see market come down, Get choppy right here. Boom, break up, break structure, breaks to the highs. And now it's starting to push down. See what I'm saying? Okay. So my support, my demand level that broke this would have been where's my right here. Okay. All right. So now if this is how I get my entries, man, a lot of times. That's the resistance up there, right? That's where the resistance at. Okay. Now say you wanted to be a counter trend trader or whatever, and you wanted to catch this mug coming back down to this demand zone. Okay. And we made these two candles right here. Right? We made these two candles right here already. And you trying to catch this this bearish candle, this thick ass bearish candle right here. All right, I'm gonna look at this last candle. I'm gonna say, in order for it to come down here, it has to break this candle, bro. It got to. Boom. What's the risk to reward on that trade? Say we broke that, right? I'm not saying trade like this every time you get a break of a candle, though. I ain't giving y'all the strategy yet. I'm just giving y'all the sauce on how to look at these candle breaks and break down these candles. Okay. So if I wanted to put my stop loss right here above the previous candle, take it for a 1-to-1, back down to the demand. On the break of this candle. You see that? It has to break this candle in order to come down here, bro. So I'll bust that down to the 1 minute and I'll try to catch me a good entry on the 1 minute. Do it the same way. Okay. Bam, you got this bullish candle right here. Bam, it broke that bullish candle. I could have tightened up right here. Got an entry right here before it even broke. Now you would have really caught more. You know what I'm saying? Or if you wanted to wait on that break on that 15-minute candle, bam. You know you broke this bullish candle. I put my stop loss above those highs and take it down. Now if that's a little bit confusing, man, you just gotta go into these charts and pick your chart time up. Pick your chart time up and study how these markets is moving. Study these candle breaks. Study what happened when it break. You know what I'm saying? Study all that. Study each candlestick, bro. Watch how they move, bro. I sat here for thousands of hours watching how this market move. So that's how you bust it down, man, from a higher time frame to a lower time frame and understanding these candlesticks. You know what I'm saying? A higher time frame candlestick is only a trend on the lower time frame. So if you getting a big bullish candle like this, we go down to the minute, that's gonna be nothing but trend right here. You see what I'm saying? That's all trend. That's all uptrend off that bullish candle. And that's how you can go down here and scout on this 1 minute. That's how you can figure out movements. You know what I'm saying? Because you going off price action. You're going off how the price is actually moving and when the candlesticks is actually being made. You know what I'm saying? You're not looking at no indicators and all that type of stuff. Because all the indicator is a mathematical equation off of this price, off of these candlesticks. You know what I'm saying? Off the closes of the prices, and it's just math being put into an equation to give you a certain type of indicator. So um that's that, man. I'm in this video right here, man. I'll get more in depth in another video. Get with y'all.